Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is the 2nd of January. So, I would like to wish you all a happy new year. On this occasion, I would like to tell you some new animal species who were discovered in the year 2024. Let's get started. The first animal is from a region known as Greater Mekong. This region revealed some of the year's most distinctive species. 243 new species were found living in this area this year alone. Local nature lovers and researchers described a pit viper whose scales create the appearance of dramatic eyelashes and a karst dragon lizard, first noticed by a local tour guide. If you think these animals are surprising, meet the animal I chose for y'all. A vampire hedgehog. You might be asking a question to yourself. Does this hedgehog drink blood? It was named so because of its fangs, which resemble that of a vampire. The next one is a significant discovery to the reptile world. It is the discovery of the largest snake in the whole world. Can you guess the snake? If you thought of the northern green anaconda, you're right. This new species of giant anaconda was named from the Bameno region of the Ecuadorian Amazon. It measures about 20 feet from head to tail. Local indigenous communities even claim to have encountered larger individuals. This species faces multiple threats throughout its range, from deforestation destroying their habitat to direct hunting by humans and environmental degradation from oil spills. Apart from the anaconda, another new species discovered this year in South America is the clouded tiger cat. As its name suggests, it is native to the cloud forests of South America. Just like other tiger cat species, it may experience dramatic range reductions, especially because this cat's habitat is particularly threatened by human activities. On the other hand, a new amphibian species was discovered in South America's Brazil. This new species of frog was found in Brazil's Atlantic forest. You will be shocked to hear that this frog measures only 6.95 millimeters in length, about the size of a pencil eraser. The more surprising fact about this frog species is that it can jump up to 32 times its own body length. This discovery from the Atlantic forest highlights both the region's rich biodiversity and the urgent need for conservation, as this critically threatened ecosystem now stands at just 13% of its original extent, potentially harboring many more undiscovered species. Next up are two frog species from another part of the world. They are actually not frog species, but toad species. They are actually two different species of toothed toads. They were found in the mountain forests of Vietnam and China. Did you know that the Hoang mountain range of Vietnam is known as the froggy hotspot? As if the discovery of these two frog species wasn't enough, not one, not two, but three more frog species were discovered in Madagascar. The name of the first frog species is on your screen. Ambecoana in Malagasy means living within pandanus. Pandanus is the plant in which these frogs were originally found living in. The name of the second animal is also on your screen. Wakoa is the word for the pandanus tree in Malagasy. You can also see the name of the last frog species. The next animals whom we are going to talk about are from Peru's Alto Mayo. The first newly discovered animal species from this region is the blob-headed fish, which is new to science and was a shocking discovery due to its enlarged blob-like head, a feature that the fish scientists have never seen before, even though the species is already familiar to the indigenous people who worked with scientists. It is a type of catfish. Another species from this area which was discovered recently is the dwarf squirrel species. This squirrel species is a very small squirrel that is difficult to spot in the rainforest where it moves quickly and hides among tree branches. After further investigation, it was found out that this animal belongs to another genus. The next new animal species discovered from this region is a semi-aquatic or amphibious mouse. This species belongs to a group of rodents that is considered among the rarest in the world, and the few species that are known have only been observed a handful of times by scientists, with much still to be learned about their ecology. They have partially webbed feet. Finally, the last animal from this region is a new species of salamander, which spends most of its time in low vegetation and shrubs. The last animal species of this video are the 4 species of tarantulas found in the Western Ghats of India. The Western Ghats are home to many such species that are found nowhere else in the whole world. Every year, new undiscovered species emerge from this mountain range. In the year 2024, Zishan Mirza found 4 new tarantula species from the Western Ghats. He has discovered several species of reptiles in India. You can see the picture of one of these species of the newly discovered tarantula. The video ends here. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a like on this video, and if you are interested in such content, please subscribe to my channel. I know I missed some species, but this is the list of the obvious animals. Thank you for watching. See you soon.